Are you struggling to develop a winning marketing strategy for your business? Meet me, a market research and business planning expert with extensive experience in social media management. With over 3 years of experience in the field, Muzammil Hussain has helped businesses of all sizes develop effective marketing strategies and business plans that have enabled them to achieve their goals and grow their bottom lines. MI's areas of expertise include market research, business planning, and social media management. Can help you develop a deep understanding of your target market and competitors, create comprehensive business plans that are tailored to your specific needs, and manage your social media presence with ease. When you work with me, you can expect a collaborative approach, high-quality work, and excellent communication. So why wait? Contact me today and take your business to the next level. Social media management, market research, and business planning expert.